What's up with us? What's up with us? Ooh-wee. What's up with us? What's up with us? Hey guys, we're gonna do a video today and tell you what's up with us.
Yeah, we've had a little delays with this whole COVID.
Yeah, with the
Craziness.
coronavirus. We talked to our log cabin kit people, and they have, Ryan knows a little bit more about it, so tell me if I'm saying it wrong, or you just say it.
So their production isn't working, so our order is kind of on hold right now, which is okay, except for we haven't got our plans yet, so all of their designers are working from home, so they're still working, but we're kind of up in the air.
Yeah, so we're like kind of in this waiting mode, which we're not very good at being in a standstill.
No.
So we decided to do what?
We bought a yurt.
So we bought a yurt. The plan was originally to build the log cabin and then do a yurt as almost like a guest home.
Yep.
But we're gonna build the yurt now, and it can be, instead of having the trailer as our only place for our family to be, as we're building, we'll have the yurt as a more open space. And if people are coming up to our property, they can also stay in the yurt, and we're just gonna have a lot more space.
Guest quarters, yeah. So put our down payment on the yurt yesterday or the day before, and it's supposed to be, we're gonna take delivery on June 1st. So before that happens, we're gonna build the platform right there, and then move the trailer maybe over here,
or maybe right where you are right now.
Maybe right where the camera is. We haven't quite decided yet. And then hopefully they'll have that all done and put together, and then we'll get delivery of the log cabin. So we'll just be working all summer.
Going. And then we do eventually want the yurt to be kind of like a nice guest space, almost like a guest house. But we can only have one permanent structure on our property. So it's going to be completely off-grid.
Yep. And
which will be fun.
Yeah.
It means we get to do a lot of things
we're actually 1 foot off the grid.
We will really be 1 foot off the grid.
Because of that, it has to be a unregulated structure, so non-permitted. So, which is okay. Washington State allows you to do that. And I even checked, like, we can have a wood stove in there. You just can't have permanent plumbing or septic or electrical in there. So our plan is to use a composting toilet and run solar and use that wood stove for heating. So it'll be a nice little guest quarters, like Sarah said. And then the other requirement is it can't be over, the platform can't be over 30 inches off the grade. So it won't be able to be that high, but that's okay.
Yeah. And so in the meantime, as we're waiting for the yurt to get here, we're going to be bringing we have a tractor we're going to be bringing up here, and just kind of getting all of our building supplies up here from our home in Oregon, which is 3 hours. So that's going to be, I feel like we're going to be doing a lot of driving right now, and then get everything up.
And yeah, we have tractors and scaffolding and like a bunch of stuff that's just hanging out in our garage that need to make its way up here. So
we're going to be really busy is what we're saying. Like, the log cabin being on hold does not mean we're on hold at all.
But we had to change gears a little bit.
Yeah, which is interesting.
And we're going to document that process too. So it's going to be yurt, then log cabin.
Yeah. All right, are we excited?
Yeah, a little excited, nervous.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
I feel like I keep getting moments of like, can we do this?
I think the yurt is going to be a good starter project for you.
I've already done a shed.
I know. I think yurt is like a little step up from shed, and then cabin will be step up from yurt.
Ryan's obviously a skilled contractor, so he's totally confident. He's not. So
we have a construction company, actually.
We do. We're
called the Freedom Construction.
It won't be done fast, and it won't be done right, but
it'll be done. All right, so that's our update, guys.
All right. Woo! I think we got it all in there. We can cut stuff.